Thank you, Nancy. Hello.
Good morning. How are
Good
you?
morning. Fine, thank you.
My name is Gordon. I'll be your driver to the helipad.
Nice to meet you, Gordon. My name is Bernadette. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on our first wedding anniversary, we went on a helicopter ride over the Victoria Falls. Here is how it went.
And the spirit of life calling Mamela, and a voice with the fear of a child answered, I am listening to some inner call, swimming blindly to throw myself upon your shore. What if I don't find you when I have landed?
How's your flight?
It was amazing.
Okay.
It was so breathtaking. It was a beautiful, beautiful experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the name of your pilot? The name of your pilot?
Oh my God. We didn't tell her.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. All right. Hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you. We have
So this was a really, really beautiful, beautiful, scenic 15-minute helicopter ride. It was honestly for me one of the best ways to experience Victoria Falls. I love that we saw it from the top, and then later on we went and saw it from the bottom, and then we actually crossed the little bridge from Zambia to Zimbabwe. We saw all the gorges both from the bird's eye view and and from below. That was really, really beautiful for me. We went during low water season, so there's not much water, but I love that we could actually see into the gorges and we could see all the rock formations. I definitely plan to go back during high water season, but for me, this was enjoyable as well. We flew NJ Air, so you can contact them. We actually contacted them just a day before we wanted to fly, but in peak season, you should probably contact them earlier. But they were amazing, and they're the ones who took the video. So it was a really, really amazing experience, and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.